Kunal is back in the studios with us. And Kunal, I guess Reliance is single-handedly to be blamed for today's Nifty fall. I don't know which tracked who, but even the Nifty now has breached 24K.
Yeah, a lot many large cap names which are falling very sharply. Reliance is one of the prime ones, of course, a heavy-weighted stock which is falling. Then you've seen weakness coming back into ICICI Bank. TCS is the other large cap name which is showing signs of weakness. So I think the slew of large cap names which have been showing signs of weakness, that keeps on increasing on a day-to-day basis, and I think that's one of the major reasons why the index is continues to show signs of weakness. We've fallen below the 24,000 mark, and what could be very critical now to watch for the index is that behavior of the 24,000 option writers. So for the last 1 week, there was a very strong amount of 24,000 writing of put options. But now if that gets converted on the other side, and if the put on option writers, they convert themselves towards call writers, then I think we could be looking at a point where 24,000 mark could actually act as the ceiling for the index, and then we could be drifting lower for the index further.
Okay, fair enough. That's the view coming in. But it's also interesting to find out then, Kunal, what you're tracking by way of individual stock recommendations. What are the ideas?
Yeah, so Abbott India is something which I would want to highlight at current levels. The stock apparently has been holding up pretty well for itself, trading into an uptrend over the last 4-5 months. We've seen the stock moving up from 25,000 mark gradually towards 30,500 levels. Then this leg of correction, the stock came down towards 28,000 mark, but then it showed signs of relative outperformance. And so far in this leg of volatility, we've seen the stock moving up higher, gradually trading into a range. So the range which is defined for Abbott is closer to 27,800 as a support and 29,500 as a resistance. The moment the stock could probably provide a breakout of 29,500 mark is where we can expect that the stock could probably claw back towards 30,000, 30,500 levels over the very near term.
Okay, interesting. That's Abbott. That's one stock which Kunal has picked out. But Kunal, what about your trading strategies for the day?
So I'll go with a contra buy on Hindustan Zinc. That's a chart which is looking attractive. In fact, over the last 3-4 days, the stock was showing signs of strong resilience as well as a breakout. So would go for a contra buy with a target of 555. Stop loss could now be tailed to 515. And the second stock would be a buy on Info Edge. That's a chart which is where the indicators are extremely oversold. So would look out for targets in the range of 7660. Stop loss at 7400.
Right, Kunal, we'll let you go on that note, and we'll see you again later in the day.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.